Quantum encrypted smartwatches. Future smartwatches could use quantum encryption to make hacking completely impossible. This tech ensures private calls, messages, and health data stay 100% secure. Governments are secretly testing this for military use, but it could soon reach public consumers. 2 AI-powered personal drone assistants. Imagine a mini drone following you everywhere, acting as a personal assistant. It can record videos, give directions, take phone calls, and even deliver small items like keys. Some leaked patents suggest Apple and Tesla might be developing this. 3 mind-controlled keyboards. A keyboard that lets you type using only your thoughts, no hands needed. Brainwave sensors pick up signals and convert them into typed text in real time. This could replace traditional keyboards forever. 4 shape-shifting AI phone cases. A phone case that repairs itself when scratched and changes shape to fit new phone models, uses liquid metal and AI-controlled nanotech to adapt instantly. Could make buying new phone cases obsolete. 5 AI-powered sunglasses that detect lies. Future AI sunglasses could analyze voice tones, facial expressions, and micro-movements to detect lies. Law enforcement agencies are rumored to be testing this secretly. It could change the way we trust people forever. 6 self-healing charging cables. No more broken charging cables. These repair themselves after damage. Uses nanoconductive materials that reconnect when split apart. Apple is secretly researching this technology. 7 invisible AR contact lenses. Smart contact lenses with built-in AR displays that replace glasses forever. Could show notifications, maps, and health data directly in your vision. Military pilots are testing early versions for high-tech warfare. 8 AI lock-picking watch. A wristwatch that can scan and decode any mechanical lock in seconds. Uses advanced AI to analyze key structures and bypass locks effortlessly. So powerful, it's banned in most countries before release. 9 hologram projecting smartphones. No more screens. This phone projects a 3D hologram in mid-air for interaction. Uses AI motion tracking for typing and swiping gestures. Apple and Samsung might secretly be working on this. Smart mirrors that give real-time health reports. A bathroom mirror that scans your face and body every morning. Detects early signs of illness, blood pressure, hydration, and stress levels. Google is rumored to be developing a prototype. 11 AI suitcases that follow you automatically. A suitcase that moves on its own, following you without needing to pull it. Uses facial tracking and AI wheels for smooth movement. Could revolutionize travel and airport experiences. 12 earbuds that let you hear through walls. AI-powered bone conduction earbuds that amplify sound through walls. Uses ultrasonic waves to pick up distant conversations. Could be used for security and espionage. 13 solar-powered smart wallets. A wallet that charges your phone and tracks itself using solar energy. Includes biometric authentication to stop theft. Could replace traditional wallets forever. 14 self-destructing USB drives. A USB that destroys its data if stolen or used without permission. Uses military-grade encryption and thermal detonation technology. Perfect for cybersecurity and confidential files. 15 AI-powered floating speakers. Wireless speakers that hover in the air using magnetic levitation. Adjust sound automatically based on your environment. Future versions may double as home security drones. 16 smart shoes that generate electricity. Shoes that charge your phone as you walk. Uses piezoelectric nanotech to store energy from footsteps. Could eliminate the need for power banks. 17 AI-powered car windshields. A windshield with a built-in AR display that shows maps, weather, and alerts. Works like a smartphone screen but on your car glass. Tesla might introduce this in future vehicles. 18 voice-controlled smart rings. A ring that acts as a phone, remote control, and payment device. Uses AI voice recognition for hands-free interaction. Future versions may include hologram displays. 19 ultra-thin solar charging stickers. Stickers that turn any object into a solar-powered charger. Works on phones, laptops, and even clothes. Could make power banks useless. 20 AI-generated digital clone assistants. A digital avatar that talks and acts exactly like you. Can take phone calls, reply to messages, and even appear in video meetings. Might become the future of social interaction. 21 AI-enhanced bulletproof clothing. Future military and civilian clothing could adjust its defense level based on the threat. Uses liquid armor technology that hardens instantly when hit by bullets or knives. Secretly being developed for elite security forces. 22 energy-absorbing tactical helmets. These smart helmets can absorb shock from explosions and gunfire, reducing impact. Uses metamaterials that bend and redistribute force before reaching the head, could prevent brain injuries for soldiers and law enforcement. 23 Smart tattoos that act as ID and payments. High-tech tattoos that store personal information, payment data, and even health records, uses biometric skin technology that syncs with your devices. Governments are rumored to be testing it for next-gen digital identification. 24 AI-powered noise-canceling walls. Imagine living in a noisy city but never hearing outside sounds. These walls use AI-driven sound waves to cancel out unwanted noise, could be a game-changer for apartments and military bunkers. 25 augmented reality windows. A window that turns into a touchscreen display with AI-generated weather updates, maps, and entertainment. Uses transparent OLED screens to overlay digital info on real-world views, could replace TVs and computer monitors. 26 AI-controlled exoskeleton gloves. Gloves that boost human strength and precision for factory workers, soldiers, and surgeons. Uses machine learning algorithms to detect hand movement and enhance grip power. Some military forces are testing these for combat applications. 27 Nanotech wound healing spray. A spray-on bandage that instantly stops bleeding and heals wounds 3x faster, uses biocompatible nanoparticles that stimulate tissue regeneration, secretly tested by special forces for battlefield treatment. 28 AI-controlled spy mosquito drones. Miniature drones designed to look like mosquitoes for ultra-secret surveillance. Can fly unnoticed into enemy territory and even extract DNA samples, rumored to be a classified military project in development. 29 silent electric jetpacks. Unlike loud gas-powered jetpacks, these use whisper-quiet electric propulsion, capable of stealth flights for special operations. Could soon be available for personal travel and urban rescue teams. 30 AI-powered night vision contact lenses that give soldiers night vision without goggles. Uses infrared and thermal imaging nanotech to enhance vision in darkness. Could change how military and law enforcement operate in night missions.